Okay, here at the City Tavern, and these are the various drinks, which are backwards in the picture. Take a look. But the first of the beers is George Washington's Tavern Porter, which is this. Interesting taste. It's a dark, very bready kind of drink. The second is Thomas Jefferson's 1774 Tavern Ale, which is much lighter. Much more like a more modern beer. The third is Poor Richard's Tavern Spice, based on Benjamin Franklin's recipe. It's nice to join Benjamin. Interesting. A little flatter taste than perhaps the first one. And the fourth is Alexander Hamilton's Federalist Ale, which is known as the Common Man's Ale. Let's give that a taste. Interesting. Of the four, I kind of like the first two. It's interesting here at the City Tavern in Philadelphia to get a little taste of history. And that's exactly what we're doing today. I happen to be in Philadelphia doing a tour, historic tour, and we will be talking about many of these individuals today. So it's kind of fun to go to the recreated place where they all met. And just wanted to share this with you. It's kind of fun, and having beers in the style of how people did it years ago. So, good day.